So as you could probably hear, we had between quarter size and golf ball size hail yesterday as I was out driving around and there was nowhere to really take cover. There was hail hitting the A-pillar and just exploding into pieces. It was bad. I thought for sure I was going to get more damage than I did. I'll show you what we did get, unfortunately, here. Just my luck. Look at this. This puppy just hits you right in the face when you walk up to it. Isn't that annoying? 7,000 miles on it. Ooh. There's two minor ones on the roof too, but not even worth showing. They're not bad at all. But I'm sure one dent isn't worth an insurance claim, so I'll have to pay out of pocket to fix that. Leave it to my luck. The nicest and most expensive vehicle I've ever owned is it's the only one that's ever had hail damage. Typical. Anyway, onward. You may have remembered the video I did with my 08 Ram when we raced my buddy's F-150 here. That was before he got it geared. He did get it re-geared with 456 gears with 35-inch tires, which he already had. He said calculated that's technically just a tiny bit better ratio than stock, which hopefully kind of helps make up for the weight of the tires because they are very heavy. What are they, 120, 110? 110 per wheel and tire assembly. It's pretty nuts. 93 octane tune? 91. And I'm actually only running 87 in the Ram right now because I'm cheapo. It's supposed to have 89, but I don't know how much of a difference it would make. But we're gonna go round 2 because he's gonna be selling his baby here probably tomorrow or Saturday, trading it in, and we wanted to see what it could do before he got rid of it. So here we go.
Grandpa Topper Ford power.
All right, well, there you have it. Pretty darn close. Pretty good race, if you ask me. It's good that the now what 8-year-old Ford could keep up with the new Hemi. Obviously, like I said, it wasn't exactly running the right octane, and it's not tuned or anything, so I do have some torque management, but nevertheless, it was a good race, and we'll be sad to see her go. But stay tuned for what he gets next. Dun, dun, dun. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more videos like this, and make sure to check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy.
Sneak preview.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching.